Hello and welcome to Knowing the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 14, Income Taxes. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. Income taxes is defined as current tax for current and prior periods should be recognized as a liability. Current tax should be recognized as income or an expense and included in the profit or loss for the period. To record income tax under BDAS 14, let's assume the following scenario. Power Sendirian Berhad has $100,000 of before-tax profits, and the income tax is 18.5%. Power Sendirian Berhad should record under Journal Entry Transaction a debit to the income tax expense account of $18,500 and a credit to the income tax payable account of the same amount. Now let's try to draft out this entry in Accounting Plus. This is a new draft journal entry. To start off, fill in the fields where you may follow the guided teardrop function which will lead you to the next mandatory fields. A brief info is given as you hover over the bubble. Preference will be up to you but required for you to fill in according to your preferences of purchase order number. Under journal items as per the scenario, we will use account name Income Tax Expense which can be found here under the drop-down menu. Partner is optional. Label will be put as Power Sendirian Berhad. Currency is in BND, and since this account is a debit account, we will just fill in the debit field. Each debit must be offset by an equal credit entry to another account. Click Save on the top left side of the page and pause to proceed with the journal entry. This is how the transaction is represented in Accounting Plus. Do note the journal ID for future reference. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 14, Income Tax.